Guys, welcome back to another episode of Project Discovery. This one will be slightly different to what you've seen before. If you haven't seen it, you can always go back and have a look on my previous videos. In this one we'll be doing a little bit of gardening work and a little bit of car renovation. So sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. Editing some of the videos, I've noticed that our back wall and the surrounding wall around the Discovery doesn't really look very well. So what I've decided to do, we have painted it. I know it's black, but there's something gonna happen to it after, and we painted the gate as well. I just couldn't look how scruffy it looked on the videos, so bit of an upgrade. Whoa, that was heavy. That was heavy. Right, I'm gonna try to fix this. Okay, I found a problem, and a big one. I thought that this is the only issue around the window, right? The only visible one, but I found a different problem. Okay, oh, there you go. So the problem is the water found its way in and just corroded the whole frame of that window. I be honest with you, I really don't know how to address it. I really can't weld. I really didn't want to take the window out, but I don't know. This is an actual proper hole.
Wow! What a hole!
I really don't know. What will be the best way of doing it? I think I'm gonna take the window out. And if I do, I'm gonna have to build this up. Oh, this is gonna be a disaster. Back. I'm gonna have to consult the internet. I really don't know how to approach that. Maybe GB weld it? Okay, so the issue is, I really don't know how to weld. I do have a welder, but I don't know how to weld, especially metal that thin. The car is not running, so I take it to the body shop because I can't take it to the body shop. I can't imagine anyone coming over in here, and I don't really know anyone that can come here and help me out with this. Oh, that is a pickle. Okay, I'll think of something. I'll definitely gonna think of something. Okay, a little bit of update. We spoke with someone smarter than me, and he suggested to use JB Weld. He said clean as much as you can, remove all the debris, all the loose debris, and just use JB Weld, also called putty or whatever you name it. Now, for those who are wondering what have I done, is I put a 2-part epoxy filler in all the holes that were created by rust, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna leave it overnight, let it fully dry, and then the excess will be sanded and then primed. So that's on the inside. And then from the outside, what I did is I purchased all year round flexi sealer, so hopefully that will fix the holes from the outside. Now obviously I'm an amateur, I've never done it before. Whether I'm doing it right, I don't know, we'll see. We'll play it by the ear, as they say. What I really didn't want it to do is I really didn't want it to take out the glass, because I just know that that would have created a massive amount of headache. So well, we'll see. Hopefully that will fix it. Okay, so the next step on what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to focus on all the surface rust that appeared after we took the carpets. So any of this rust or here, any of those spots, I'm gonna try to clean it, and then I'm gonna paint it.